Hey guys, this is Jesse the Sand Dude Davenport, come from Guaranty RV Supercenters. Today we're going to take a look at the new 2020 Attitude, the 2919 SAG. This one has a double slide. We got the slide on the back here because we're going to go inside and take a look at the inside with the slide in. Nice looking new colors. It's got the new wheels. All the new lights on the outside. You notice how high these set up? Up front, this one has the generator up here. They got the new step, easier to get in and out with adjustable legs. You can see here with the slide in, you can put your 4-seat side by side in here. This has all the new cabinets with all the new colors, the new ceiling fan. You got LED lights inside and outside. All new colors. They've done some nice stuff on all the trim. This one has the patio that goes down the back with the 2 chairs. So this has the slide in right now. When you bring your side by side, this comes up around your wheels right here. The floor comes up so to give you room. The new faces. They've moved in this model, they've moved to this fridge and the slide, so it gives you a 4-door. New counters with lights in the counters here. You got lights above. They've moved the speaker up above for the bass. Coming up here. Take a look at the shower area there with the new bowl. Very clean. Come in here in the bedroom. The slide out has the wardrobe there. Here's the new colors they've done on the tables. This one has the second air conditioner here with all your speakers. Very nice, very clean. There's a lot of stuff we can talk about. My number's on the screen. You can give me a call there on my cell phone at 541-515-0764. Thanks for looking.